Okay, guys, so we've got a panoramic view of the River Mersey. Don't forget, guys, none of these kind of images, none of the photographs exist. This has all been generated by artificial intelligence. Still mind-blowing to me. That's quite nice. And I like this one a lot. I like this one. That's kind of like it's got some of the icons in there, the iconic part of the skyline. AI generated images of people. It doesn't really work for my particular endeavors, but you can do that as well, guys. Images of people, models, etc. You can beautify them because there can be some distortion. I'm not particularly going for talking about editing, by the way, with Riku. If you're going for the photorealistic, Okay, guys, so this is our manga interpretation of Liverpool. That one is quite unusual. I'm not a great one for black and white, but if you like line drawings, this is fairly cool. We'll need a little bit of editing on the top. That's really nice. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, let's hop on to another one and we'll give it more detail and see what we get.